children. Good morning. How are you? Hope you are fine. I am Kamala Kumari, your science teacher. We are giving you online classes regularly. Our 10th lesson air, part 1 we had completed. This is part 2. We'll start this lesson with an activity. While waiting at a busy road crossing or signals, there also you sometimes may get irritation in the eyes and throat wherever signals are there. When you stop there, the smoke coming out from the vehicles contain harmful gases. These get mixed with air and cause irritation. With the above observations, it is clear that the air we breathe is not always pure. It contains impurities like dust, soot, harmful gases like carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, and sulfur. You can see here the picture. The air having such impurities is called polluted air. The impurities are called pollutants. There are two basic forms of air pollutants. They are gaseous pollutants, example, carbon monoxide, ozone, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, etc. Solid pollutants, the second one. Two are their basic forms of air pollutants. Two. First one is gaseous pollutants. Now solid pollutants. Smoke, dust, and germs are the examples. Is it clear, children? You have to note down these important points. Some of the usual causes that pollute the air. Dust raised from the ground during dust storms. Smoke emitted by vehicles. Stone dust raised by crushing of stones in quarries. Germs from coughing and sneezing. Smoke from forest fires. You can see the picture, children, forest fire. During summer, you will find this, isn't it? And here you can see the smoke coming from the vehicles. Always you have to cover your nose and mouth here, see, while coughing and sneezing, because the germs should not come outside. Effects of air pollution. By breathing air polluted with dust, smoke, and harmful gases, we may suffer from various health problems like suffocation, cough, headache, skin, and eye diseases. Gases like oxides of nitrogen and sulfur present in automobile exhausts mix with rainwater and form acids. This acid rain damages crops and reduces the fertility of soil and also damage monuments made of marbles. You can see the picture, children, air pollution, how it is occurring. Presence of carbon dioxide and some other gases in air causes a phenomenon called greenhouse effect. This phenomenon helps the earth to stay warm. When these gases are present in excess in air, their increased greenhouse effect causes global warming. You can see the global warming. When polluted air increases, the air becomes more warm. the temperature rises. Ways to reduce air pollution. We have to follow this, children. We should plant more trees. Why we should plant more trees? Because the plants use up carbon dioxide gas present in the air for photosynthesis. This helps to reduce the greenhouse effect and maintain the Earth's temperature at a desirable level. So, all should plant trees. You can see the trees, how important the trees are. They remove carbon dioxide, they reduce erosion, they prevent flooding, they add oxygen, they cools our houses, provides fruits, provides medicine, save our earth. You have to plant a tree. See how nice this picture. All of you had to draw this picture, and along with assignment you had to send it to me, children. Lesser use of vehicles. Our vehicles nowadays it is increasing, isn't it? Lot of traffic in our Visakhapatnam. You take, children, lot of traffic here because of the increase in vehicles. We should use a bus or metro for going to the office instead of using a personal vehicle. This will reduce the number of vehicles on the road and also smoke emission. So you have to share or you have to use bus, isn't it? So that we can reduce the smoke. See the picture, children. Regular checkup of vehicles. We should get our vehicles regularly checked for their pollution level. If vehicle is giving more smoke, it should be repaired at the earliest. If not, it causes more pollution to the atmosphere. You can see the picture, the pollution check. So we have to check pollution check nowadays. If it is not there, the traffic police, they will fine, isn't it? So pollution check is compulsory. Use of cleaner fuels. We should use LPG or biogas for cooking instead of coal, wood, or cow dung cakes. If possible, use CNG for running vehicles. Nowadays, you are finding CNG vehicles also. So alternative fuel we can use. Here, it's time for clean fuel now. Why? Because we can avoid the pollution, environmental pollution. Let's put biodiesel to work for you, your business and your bottom line. So our atmosphere should be clean. See the pictures, children. Constructing tall chimneys. Powerhouses and factories should construct tall chimneys so that smoke coming out of them goes higher up in the atmosphere and is not inhaled by us, by animals or by human beings. So that we can prevent pollution, this also. So the fact is they have to construct all chimneys like this. You can see the picture. The waste gas should be exhaled out up in the air. Good habits. We had to follow certain good habits, children. So we had to cover our nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing so that germs of disease are not released in the air. So nowadays, because of corona, all of them, they are following this. The mask is compulsory, isn't it? So that we will not release any germs outside and we will not inhale the germs inside our body. We can prevent inhaling the germs, isn't it? So all of you had to follow this. Strictly you had to follow, children. Reducing and minimizing environmental pollution is the responsibility of each and every person. So everybody had to follow this good habits. Why? Because our environment, if it is polluted, it will affect badly our health, human being health, animals, even plants also. So if it will affect our health, we will face a lot of troubles. If it affects plants, what will happen? There will be no food for us. Future, there will be no food. And it will affect the atmosphere and also the soil also. Isn't it? The pollution is many ways. You all had to note down this. Good habits you all had to follow. And you all children, again and again, go through this video, and whatever the new words, important points you have to note down. Is it clear, children? And whatever I am telling, you are not doing. The diagrams you are not placing in the along with the assignment. Tomorrow I will see your assignment along with this video. The diagrams along with the assignment you had to send to me, children. That's all for today. Thank you, children.